Erin brought her 3-month-old daughter Emery in to see me to have a chiropractic evaluation because her daughter was having gas issues.
Seeing my daughter in so much pain, I inquired with Dr. Scarano to see how she felt about a pediatric chiropractor.
Basically, when we do the adjustment, it's very gentle. We use the amount of pressure that's basically the same as you would be checking the ripeness of a tomato. And through that gentle touch, it actually glides the vertebrae back into its correct alignment, and it helps alleviate nervous interference. And it also improved all her symptoms such as being irritable, sleepless, problems nursing, passing gas, relieving the constipation issues. Babies under regular chiropractic care, children, adults, they've been shown to have actually less illnesses, less ear infections, less colds. So the parents see this and they want their baby to be healthy.